channel AllasYummyFood, and today I'm going to show you banana caramel lava cake. It's so delicious. It's been requested by some of you, so I hope your dream is coming true right now and you're drooling. This cake is so yummy, super easy to make, and if you like banana desserts or caramelized bananas, we're gonna fry them in some rum as well. So good. And then you're gonna love this recipe. Very easy to make. And don't forget that I have loads of other lava cake recipes. I will include them at the end of this playlist so you can go and check them out. I've literally got everything, but if you do feel you have any more suggestions, leave them down below in the comment section and let me know. And guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's completely free and I upload new videos every single week, and it makes me so happy when you subscribe. And click the notification bell so you can be updated every single time I upload a new video. Now let's get started. In a bowl, add your eggs and then whisk them for a good 5 to 10 minutes until they double in size. Then I'm gonna add my caramel. I'm using the canned caramel from the shops, and I'm gonna whisk everything again one more time. You want the mixture to really double up. This is what's gonna give it a big fluffy lift and raise in the oven. Then we're gonna add some sifted flour and mix everything together until it's nice and smooth. Make sure you don't overmix the mixture. Next, peel your banana. Use ripened bananas if you wish. And we're going to cut this in half, just like that, and then just into slices across the banana, just like that. In a pan, I have prepared some butter. Butter is essential to caramelize the bananas. And then we're going to add our banana inside. We're going to fry this for a few seconds, and then I'm going to add my brown sugar just on top and some cinnamon, and mix everything together. Once the sugar starts to melt, it will start to caramelize. Then add some water just to even it out and make sure that the sugar does not burn on the pan. So just mix it around. Next, I'm going to add some rum. You can use any alcoholic drink you want, and trust me, you will not taste it. We're gonna light this on fire and this will cook off all the alcohol. Now, you don't have to use alcohol at all if you don't want to. When it's ready, it should look like this, nice brown and caramelized. Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at AllasYummyFood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click on the picture and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. In a Ziploc bag, add a couple of biscuits and then crush them with your rolling pin until you get nice and fine crumbs, just like that, you can see. And we're gonna take each ramekin and spray it with some cooking oil, just enough to cover it. And then add your biscuits, your crushed biscuits inside, and move it around until the crumbs get stuck to your ramekin. This will ensure that the cake comes out nice and clean. So it should look just like that. Add your caramel inside and about halfway through. And then we're going to do the same with our second one. Then take your caramelized bananas, and I'm adding about a teaspoon inside each ramekin because you do want to get the banana flavor and you do want to taste the caramel with bananas. And then add a bit more caramel, another teaspoon of caramel sauce, and top it up with more caramel mixture. We're going to bake these at a high temperature, 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit, for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your oven. So make sure you check them whilst they're baking. Then take them out. They should be nice and puffy. Gently slide a knife around just to loosen them. And then flop them over to your presentation dish. And sprinkle some icing sugar if you wish. And I'm adding some sliced bananas on the side and some fresh mint. You can then add your caramel bananas on top of your cake and some crushed nuts. Also feel free to add some vanilla ice cream, which goes really well with this cake. And when you slice into each cake, you'll see that the caramel oozes out together with banana. The flavor is so delicious. You've got the caramel banana flavor, and if you're a fan of this type of mixture, you're gonna love this dessert. I hope you try this. Make sure you leave a comment down below and like this video, share it with your friends, and check out all the other videos that I have on my channel.